They don't have mango cake, no? Walang mango cake. O kaya ito na lang slices yung available kaya. Sushi. Here's what I got from Trader Joe's. Like this waffle. We got strawberry. And then blueberries. White chicken. And then 5 snacks. And we have noodles. And the poppers. And artichoke. Bread. There's milk. And I got some spinach. And got this tempura. And our favorite pita cheese. Like your cake?
It's so sweet.
John is still working.
There's strawberry.
And there's chocolate.
Made. Ay, wala pa ng laman.
Box lang. Puro stisyong yan. Okay lang. Ay, tabi. Halata na. Para sa inyo. Yeah.
Wow.
Gusto ko lang isay.
No, okay.
Change my mind. Wala din ako. Pero ito kami pang patos niya.
Hindi, iba yung putos niya.
Ay,
Kasi ito, ito yung...
tuloy doon sa sizing. Para sa karate mo dinaya.
Daddy got you a cake.
Here's what I found.
Then dyan yung strawberry. Wow!
Like it?
Gusto niya?
Yeah, I love that one. Yung pangani. Masyadong
You love your
politiko
cake?
talaga. Lydia, we're just gonna go and do a slice of it, okay?
Did you say Happy Father's Day to Daddy?
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you. Ba't ikaw may cake? Hindi wala ako.
Eli.
Do you want to eat with Ili? Ili is still sleeping.
Yeah, he's still sleeping. He's
Kapag kami ng case. Kasi hindi...
man pa ko yung manding case na din pag gusto ko yun.
Case, binili ko pa. siya dito sa blue. Hindi ako nagdaya. Tingnan mo.
Nakapalang t-shirt ka last time eh.
Hey, happy Father's Day. We're driving to Jollibee. We're gonna get our baon from the Filipino store in Jollibee, and we're gonna drive to our favorite beach. We just woke up. So, yeah. There's, I don't know, The Baker's Son by Valerio. It's not yet open. We're gonna get Jollibee and we're gonna go to the beach. Got this maligaya and some snacks from the Filipino store. Here at Bucky's, so we're gonna use the restroom. Make bulgogi with this beef. Look at this beef, like it's so tiny, and it used to be like the price has gone up tremendously. I couldn't believe it. It's only one slab of beef. My god. Hey, you said you want to say hi.
And then make
You don't know yet how to cut this beef.
then can cook like you
You wanna cook like me?
and to help you.
Yeah, you can help me when you grow a little taller.
Wow. Hi.
Hi. Oh my god, why is it that we have a lot of sand? We went to the beach last Sunday. Leave it alone, please. And oh, this is salmon. I thought this is beef. Where's the beef? Oh my gosh, I forgot. So I thought this is the beef and
yesterday.
salmon pala itong nilabas. So I'm just gonna
Like on yesterday.
bake salmon. It's gonna be our dinner. You're gonna eat fish, right?
Because
it's healthy.
Mommy, Mom will help you.
Yes.
Mom will help.
Let's bake. Oh, be careful, please.
I'm okay.
You're okay. That's why you have to be. Here's
I can
the
help
salmon. I'm just gonna bake this.
And help me.
Okay, then be nice. You go to school. So right now you're just gonna watch mommy, okay?
So you can learn it.
Yeah, so you can learn. What's this?
It's a
What's this?
It's a fish.
That's the fish. This is ginger.
A ginger. It's a ginger.
I'm gonna mince the ginger.
It's a ginger.
It is.
And well, it's dry already.
It is dry. We already wiped it.
It's a cute spatula.
Oh, this is a knife.
A knife.
It is a dangerous knife.
Dangerous knife. Pieces.
You're gonna learn the what?
I can learn the DIY recipes.
DIY recipe?
I can,
This a DIY recipe?
I can learn to. I can learn on
Yes, you can learn.
to how to. I'm proud of you.
I know, I'm proud of you by being patient.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What is this?
It's a
Mm,
onion.
garlic.
A garlic on it. Onion.
Garlic.
A garlic onion. To learn.
Yes, you're gonna help me.
To learn. It's a ketchup.
Yeah, close.
A flows. Can I help
I'm
me?
gonna use this.
And I'm gonna help.
Buchongaro.
To help. I'm gonna help me.
I'm gonna help mommy.
Yes. One.
Oh, this is not.
Two. Thank you.
I need vinegar. Kuha na po yung salmo.
I'm mixing.
Careful.
I'm mixing.
What are you making?
I'm learning already.
I don't have rice vinegar, so I'm just gonna use this regular vinegar.
Regular vinegar. Huh? What are you making on your spoon? Thank
You mix it.
I can mix.
Yes, you can.
I'm mixing. I'm learning already.
Yes, you are.
Huh?
Oh, what am I learning? And then I'm gonna fry it. Here's the olive oil.
I can make it.
Mayonnaise,
Lydia can do
sesame
this.
oil. Okay.
And do not spill your shirt. Don't spill your skirt.
Yes, and not spill.
Do not spill your skirt.
Let's taste first. Here. The salmon. It has some sauce. Then I'm gonna make this salad. What are you singing? Oh, Elsa's song. The salad, and then you can add sauce here. Just add, it's the salad, this one, and then the salmon. Here's my dinner. Here's our dinner. Salad, Mediterranean salad, and the salmon. I like it grilled. So it has honey, vinegar, and sesame oil with ginger. So I just gisa, garlic, ginger, and gochangaro. I'm gonna drink this. This is apple flavored, and I really like it because of the aroma. And you know, when you have kids and after a day of cooking and cleaning, I think it's cute. Yeah. I don't drink that much because I don't like drinking this super heavy drinks, just a few, you know, to calm my nerves. Oh, thank you, Eli. I forgot to play the TV. Then I'm gonna finish na your food. It's just still playing, and Eli is already eating his dinner. So, ayan, how's everyone? I hope everyone is doing great. I couldn't do vlogs, or well, I do have some clips, but I couldn't edit because it is summer and my hands are full. I'm doing some activities for the kids, and usually after the day I'm really tired and I just want to go to sleep. Here's the sound. Open. Cheers. I really like how it tastes. And it smells good. Sweet apple. That's why I like this. You know, just to calm my nerves after a very long day with, you know, cooking and cleaning the house and doing the laundry, cleaning the house. Just kidding. But yeah, cheers. I hope everyone is doing great. And dito ako kumakain kasi yung mga bata